100 islands. Tried to splash me, so I'm gonna splash her back. Don't worry, guys. Splashing me. Islands. I could be wrong. This is 100 of them. Woo! So, okay, there are kids screaming. I think this is the Governor Island right here. Yeah, kids are trying to join in my vlog. So you guys can say hi. Hey, don't photobomb. Okay, so these are the islands from my point of view. You can see the trees and the carvings from evaporation and erosion. And also, hold on, you can see the other islands from there. Alright guys, welcome to Alaminos city. Well, not really a city, but there is a little house, I'm not sure what it is. And you've got these little pagodas here, these gazebos. And as you can tell, this is a huge tourist spot. Lots of people are swimming happily. And that's what I'm about to do now. But as of right now, I still just want to vlog this. Okay, so here's the GoPro footage. Is the camera clear? Okay, it is. So it's kind of like a semi-bridge. Also, here's the view of the beach right here. And like you've got a little pagoda there with and now going up these flight of stairs, you get so there's your statue of Manuel Kazan. He's not gonna say hi to me, or maybe he will. There we go. Now he said hi. If you look closely, it's just a little resting area where you can enjoy the view from here. I mean, you cannot from here, but on those you can. Alright, I'm gonna go get in. Right there? Yeah, my phone's dead. Imagine that was actually the Eiffel Tower.